Subscribe right now, or there will be consequences.
Hello there, back again on the tube making some good quality content for you. I just wanted to share something funny I discovered yesterday, and that is that you can use FL Studio Mobile as a voice mod to have fun with your friends with if you're in a Discord call or something. By the way, join the Epic Discord server, link in the description. The only sad thing is that you can only use this if you use a PC. That's very sad. I really looked for solutions if you wanted to make it work on your phone. Sadly, there isn't a solution yet. So let's get started. What I found: first, you need this. You need this. It's a virtual cable, and what it does is you want it to redirect the sound from FL Studio Mobile to Discord. Okay, you want that to redirect so people can hear that. So if you have this installed, first of all, you need to have the right mic set on this. Like, you need to have your mic and you have to put this on. I'm currently on the voice changer right now, and what I discovered is if you go to settings, go to audio, you can use different outputs for where you want your sound from FL Studio to go to. So if you put this on that virtual cable that we just installed, that virtual cable, you can use that as a microphone on Discord. And that's what I'm gonna do. Shut up, Google. So we are here on the Discord server. We are going to settings, speech and sound, or sound or video, I don't know. I have it in Dutch. But as you can see here, you can put the cable output from that virtual cable that we used. The sound from FL Studio will go through this as your input device. So if we're gonna check, you can hear that the sound that you made here will redirect to Discord. So if I were supposed to put on my auto tune and the filter, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn off my microphone so that you can hear only what Discord hears. But there's one thing: Discord makes the sound go a little bit weird, but that's not what you hear, what your friends hear if you're on a voice call with them. So there's a lot of noise reduction and a lot of like fade outs and stuff. So you don't have to worry about that. It's just, yeah, it's all fine. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off my mic on my OBS, and then I'm gonna show you the sound that it makes, that it goes through Discord. Okay, so now I'm hearing myself, and I don't want to hear myself because that's annoying. I can't talk like that, but you can hear the sound. I put this off, and you can't hear any sound. And I'm back. So now I put my auto tune on. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Yeah! Woo!
Subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, or else I will haunt you to death.
So, Niels, I discovered something cool I can do with FL Studio Mobile. Something new, okay? Hello! Let's go!
Subscribe right now.
Okay.
That's pretty much it. I can use it as voice changer. I can do distortion. So, but I'm not gonna do that because it's way too loud. And maybe this is something cool I can use.
Okay.
Or just hello.
Hello.
Today is a very special day. We are in the Ziggo Dome. Yeah, let's go. You need this is some tech support. This is tech support scam. This is tech support. You gotta.
So I have to give my PIN code?
Yeah, you gotta give me your passport, passwords, everything.
Okay. Yeah, here it comes.
I'm really getting taken away with that kind of stuff. But You can use FL Studio also just to remove background noise from your microphone. Like with the FX Gate, I put there's a video on my channel. I made a video about it, how to remove background noise with FX Gate. If you wanted to learn something about that, just please watch the video. Look, if you want to mess with your friend.
What? Huh? No, you're messing with me, huh? You killed my Minecraft dog.
Sorry for the weird accents. Also, you can boost your microphone just with an EQ. Like, I want extra bass, extra bass and extra crunchiness. Or use a compressor. Just funny stuff for your microphone. A limiter, if you're talking too loud and people are complaining about it. It's very handy to use. So I'm having fun with it. It's very funny to use that on your friends, and it works really well. I'm gonna put the link in the description for the virtual cable. Again, I'm sorry it's not for mobile, but it's kind of useful. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. I hope you have fun with your friends on a call using this. If you're using it, like I think like 99% is using FL Studio Mobile on their phone and not on their PC or desktop. So have a great week. Good luck on school. Click on some videos over here, and you know that the
Juicy subscribe button. Let's go. Juicy subscribe button. Let's go. Yeah. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. Become a channel member. Become channel member. Let's go. Become channel member. Give me money. Channel member. Let's go. Let's go.